If you ask me if I thought I was going to be in engineering, the answer is no. I always knew I wanted to help people. I'm the facility engineer and also the supervisor for the maintenance department. And this position, I call it the nosy body because I like to be involved with a little bit of everything. So if you think about building management, that's me. If the machine's down, that's my maintenance department. Having to deal with a contractor to buy parts or help production when the machine's down, my goal is if the plant's not running, I'm in trouble. I was always the unique kid. I call myself that. I care a little too much, worry a little too much. I actually ended up going back to community college thinking that I was gonna work in a hospital doing counterform. That ended up being in a dungeon. I was like, I need people. Both my parents are from Vietnam and Cambodia area. It was hard to say, Mom, it's okay, I can wear shorts. Mom, I don't need to wear a dress. I don't have to have a haircut this way. I was pretty different than most of my sisters. I'm a little bit of a tomboy. I like to get dirty. I like to climb trees. I grew up in America where we question everything you learn. That's what you're getting taught at, right? But her resilience of her migrating over here and my dad taught us that nothing is too big for you to overcome. Maybe sometimes the outcome is not what you want, but you'll eventually get there. I appreciate every challenge or any opportunity I get, whether it's negative or positive. Anytime someone tells me I can't do something, I push forward and go like, okay, let me prove you wrong. Sometimes I don't, and it's okay. Sometimes the path doesn't necessarily match their idea, but at the end of the day, if the goal is met, it's fine. A lot of manufacturing is trying to go to Industrial 4.0 to allow female to work better, because by doing automation, you get rid of those processes that's all manual. There's no right way or one way of becoming a female engineer in a manufacturing or a female working in manufacturing. There's many paths to come to where I am today, and there's no right or wrong. It's your way. And kind of stop molding yourself to that stereotype or whatever. Break it. There's no wrong or right way. Just break it. My name is Chau, and I am a manufacturer.